Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a completely unfiltered clinical analysis of opusclip, evaluating whether this dominant player in the AI video repurposing space genuinely replaces a human editor or just leaves you with a pile of awkward, unwatchable digital fragments. The promise of the platform is incredibly seductive to anyone drowning in post-production workflows because you simply throw a long-form podcast, live stream, or interview link into their dashboard, and within minutes, the engine processes the media to spit out a dozen platform-ready vertical shorts completely formatted with kinetic typography, auto-reframing, and AI-generated B-roll. At the core of its marketing is the proprietary Clip Anything engine, which works alongside heavy-hitting language models to evaluate your narrative structure, detect emotional vocal peaks, and assign a definitive virality score to rank which sections have the absolute highest mathematical probability of retaining audience attention on mobile feeds. When you look closely at the formatting mechanics, the automation is genuinely impressive because its facial tracking systems keep the main speaker tightly locked in the center of a vertical 9:16 frame, and the animated caption engine handles word highlighting and emoji insertion with roughly 97% text accuracy. However, we have to look directly at where this automated illusion completely shatters, starting with its fundamental inability to understand abstract context, comedic timing, or complex visual setups. The system reads text transcripts much better than it reads human nuance, which means you will frequently find that your generated clips cut off precisely before the actual punchline lands, or they start entirely too early, forcing you to step back into their editing timeline to manually drag boundaries and fix the timing yourself. This brings us to the next massive bottleneck, which is the internal timeline editor itself, because every single manual adjustment you try to make triggers a clunky rendering refresh, turning what was supposed to be a fast, one-click automated miracle into a surprisingly tedious and high-friction manual refinement process. Furthermore, their controversial credit system charges you strictly based on the exact duration of the source footage you upload, rather than the final usable outputs you keep. Meaning if you upload a 60-minute stream and the AI produces only 2 good clips while hallucinating on the rest, you have still permanently burned 60 full minutes of your paid subscription pool. Processing queues also suffer from severe slowdowns during high-traffic peak hours, sometimes causing files to hang indefinitely in processing limbo while you are facing strict production deadlines. Ultimately, opusclip functions beautifully as a rapid, high-volume, rough-cut assistant to help you isolate key conversational hooks from heavy data, but it remains a collaborative tool, requiring intense human oversight rather than a fully autonomous substitute for creative storytelling. Subscribe the channel for more videos.